How to add Passkey on WillTrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on WillTrade and wondering how to make your account more secure with a passkey, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the WillTrade application on your device. Once you're inside the home page logged into your account, go ahead and click on My Account at the bottom right corner. After you're inside this My Account tab, click on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Inside the settings menu, select Account and Security. On the next page, scroll down to Security Verification and select Passkey. Now, click on Add Passkey on the next page at the bottom. You'll need to complete verification with your Face ID or your fingerprint. You can choose which device has your passkey. It can be a USB security key or use another device option. Choose any one. I have selected the Use Another Device option. Click on that and then scan the QR code with another device you have. Follow through the instructions and sign in with your passkey on a new device or another device. Make sure the devices are connected to the internet and have the Bluetooth turned on. After waiting for a couple of seconds, you'll then be able to enable Passkey for security verification. A passkey will let you log in using your fingerprint, Face ID, or device lock instead of typing a password every time. It is faster and more secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.